Hum is the Bij mantra or seed mantra for the throat chakra. Although one source I learned from years ago had the heart Bij mantra as hum and the throat as yum. Either way, they make sense to me. And just general humming is such an effective way to enter into the domain of your physical self without the complication of words and meanings. And that's our aim here, to make a home in the heart, to feel the vibration of sound in and around the heart and as far up as the shoulders, neck, and face. Most of the emphasis is on the part when the lips come together. Keep your teeth relaxed, though. Just like the humming of the chakras, this can be done lying down or without the arms, but here we have the arms up as an experiment. Can you feel how the bony architecture of your spine and ribs holds your arms up instead of your shoulder, neck, and jaw muscles doing it? In class, I will offer to take a student's fingers and hold them so that the arms then can hang down in this field goal position, allowing the shoulders to reconnect to the back again. Once they've been able to allow that to happen, I ask the student to keep it as I let go of their hands. If you're working with someone else, you can experiment with that assist together. Otherwise, on your own, do your best to feel the arms are more part of the back and waist than the neck. One more. Stretch your fingertips down towards the ground without putting any weight in your hands, so you're holding yourself up through your core strength. Imagine you're breathing from your pelvis, just like we did lying down, from your pelvis up to your neck. As you exhale next, keep all that lift and let your head roll to the right side. As you release the weight of your head, take your next inhale and lift it up from the pelvis, through the belly, through your back and ribs and chest, all the way up into the open left side of your neck, creating a deeper stretch. Keeping the same contact left to right in your hands so your shoulders stay even. You're not rolling your shoulders to follow your head. Feeling both waists are long and even. If you want to intensify this, turn your palms up and tuck your elbows in so you look like Lady Justice with the scales. If that feels like too much and you're not breathing, then just keep your arms long. Give that side of your neck one more inhale, and as you exhale, release your head down along your collarbones. And as you roll through center, hold onto your knees and curve back through your spine. Breathe there for a moment, perhaps rolling your chin along your collarbones if that feels good. As you inhale next, draw yourself upright again and stretch your fingers towards the ground. Roll your head to the left, finding the angle that you can release the weight of the head without holding tight in the body or breath. Breathing up into the right side of your neck. Does this side feel any different? If it's too intense, you'll know it, because the breath will change or will get lost, or you'll find that you're clenching your jaw, or you'll be trying to hold your head. You can let your head go. This next time that you inhale, lift the space of the breath up into your neck. And as you exhale, release your chin down along your collarbones. When you get to center, keep your head dropped down. Inhale and stretch your arms up overhead, and let your head be lifted up by your chest and your breath. Bringing your head and your arms up, bring your palms together, gather up whatever sort of energy you'd like to carry with you off the mat. Acknowledging yourself in your practice. If you're practicing with anyone else, acknowledging them as well. Namaste.